Welcome! Why sell through Teeny Weeny? It is fast, easy, and free. No registration and setup. No website or online shop. Sell physical or digital items. Sell new or used items. Automate and accept credit cards. Engage your social network. Build customers' loyalty easily. Social selling with Teeny Weeny is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Add your product in one simple page. No registration, no credit cards, and absolutely no setup or monthly fees. You can add any products or services you wish to sell. These can be new or used, physical, digital, services, events, and even courses. Upload your product's images, specify delivery cost, add your verified PayPal email, and click on Start Selling. It's that simple and fast. Step 2. Connect Teeny Weeny to your Facebook and Twitter account with just one click. And best of all, you only need to do this once. Each time you add a new product, Teeny Weeny will auto-post your offer on your Facebook timeline seamlessly. Teeny Weeny will also auto-generate tweets of your offer on your Twitter status simultaneously. You may also share your Teeny Weeny listings to Google+, Pinterest, Tumblr, your blog, and many of your other favorite social media with just one click. Step 3. Engage and build your pool of happy and loyal customers through your own social network with peace of mind. After all, selling has always been social. Buyers only buy from known and trusted sellers, and happy customers refer and recommend their friends and social circles. It's that fast, it's that easy. With Teeny Weeny, you can now automate your selling and accept credit cards through PayPal. PayPal's sellers and buyers protection means you can now sell with absolute peace of mind. Teeny Weeny do not withhold any of your customers' payment. You have complete control to manage or withdraw your funds anytime through your PayPal account. And remember, Teeny Weeny was the result of our own needs to find a no-frills, fast and easy way to sell used items without the need of a website, blog, or virtual shop. Therefore, it is our commitment to make your selling journey easy, enjoyable, and affordable. So what are you waiting for? Start selling now!